All right, guys. Good morning. Good afternoon. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to another London session live stream. And as you can see, we are developing a setup here with GJ. I'm just getting the trade idea ready. Let's see. Do we have enough time? TP. It is a new 15-minute candle, so I'm waiting out a bit. Not quite. Alrighty. So new 15-minute candle and looking for a push. So looking for one more push down before I can consider the buy stops here. This is the 5-minute time frame. Alrighty. So still waiting for a pushback here for me to consider the buy stops. All right, guys, here's the push. And again, I will consider the setup here. So we got that push again. You can see why early entries are not good. But wow, what a nice push here. And we'll consider the setup for GJ. Alrighty. Wow, what a push here. Okay. Alrighty, so gonna enter the buy stops here, guys, for GJ. Alrighty, could be activated here. Okay, yeah, it's got tapped in. Again, the fact that it did push down. How many pips was this? Went back down about 8-9 pips. Now pull right back. That's the push I was looking for. And now we're about 6 minutes away from a new 30-minute candle, but we couldn't get the full push. We can certainly get the full push right back up top. And of course, tapped in here. All right, yes, good morning. Good morning. Hopefully we get a good 5-minute close here so it bounces right back up top. That's a 15-minute, that's a 30-minute candle. The 30-minute candle has no top wick, right? So that's also the hourly candle right there. Can we get that push? So an interesting close. Certainly an interesting close. All right, does have the bottom wick here. Again, there's still 5 minutes left for the 30-minute close. And can we get the push now? Let's see. Again, this is an active setup. Got tapped in with the previous 5-minute candle, and see what happens here. 26 pip TP. Alrighty. 4 minutes to go. Does it pull right back up in that range? Or does it continue pulling down? All right, nice push. Nearly back at break even. You can see the previous 1 hour candle had no top wick. And if it does pull back, you can see the 1 hour EMA right up top there. Nice push. Beautiful push. 2 minutes left, and it's still pushing here. Could it come all the way back up here? Nice push. It's got to break this level here. It's got to break this level. Can it do it? Close. A minute left for a new 30-minute candle. All right, so it appears it may just close right in the small range. But a nice push here. Seconds away. Nice push. It's going to be a nice close at the top end of the small range. And let's see if it can break out here. All right, there we go. New 30-minute candle. Again, needed to break this level right here. If we can break this level, we can certainly see it fill up this non-wick candle on the left and then get up here. Can I get there? Let's see. Nice push. Again, it is a new 30-minute candle. Can we get the full push? Can we get the break? It's not certain yet. All right, an aggressive push right back down. You can see it's still respecting the smaller range. Right here, 7-8 pips. Still leaning on GJ respecting this range. Let's see. right? So again, I do understand that GJ can certainly reach the level it was on Tuesday, but I'm looking at GJ respecting this smaller range here before making that push, and right to the 1 hour EMA. So it can certainly still push down. Yeah. So fundamentals really pushed it right back down, which is great. But I'm looking at one more push to the top here. 1 hour EMA, the 5-minute EMA is going to come down here potentially to the top end of this range, and it may reject and come right back down, right? So this is why I got this one last chance for this range trade here to fulfill and complete this range. And again, could bounce back and get this full move down and break to the downside, right? So let's see what happens. Of course, yeah. There we go. So now it battled in this, I think about 10 pip range here. Look at that, 10 pips. And looking for the push right back up. Certainly can give it to us. We got 20 minutes left before the 1 hour close. There we go. Nearly at break even. And we'll love to hear who else is in the setup here with me. Right, we'll love to hear that. If you guys did take the setup here, you guys can mention that. Again, important level that it has to break, right? For this trade to go right is to close above. For for it to give me confidence, for me to hold, to match the left here, and then beyond to the 1 hour EMA, right? Otherwise, I will take action here and potentially close out if it does break the bottom end level here, right? And no top wick on the 5-minute candle here. So it could bounce back, which is what I'm leaning on. But it needs to break out of this level here, either side. If it gets to the bottom, probably close out. If it breaks out to the top, I'll look for it to reach levels on the left and hopefully get our full TP. All these wicks to the sell side really look like bars are coming in. Yeah. Again, close call here. It needs to break out either way. All right. Nearly got break even. Now you can see how many attempts right here to break to the downside, but not quite. This one is close. Current 5-minute candle as well, but all of them bounce back. Let's see where this current candle closes up, right? And it's a new 15-minute candle coming up. So do we get the 15-minute candle closing up or right back down? So it's going to be an interesting close. 3 minutes to go. And let's see what happens. Alrighty. Seems to be pulling back. 2 minutes to go before a new 15-minute candle. Let's see. And yes, good morning. Good morning. Pulling back again. Nearly got break even. 2 minutes to go. Looking for the candle to close above. And then for the next one, the preceding one, to push above. See the 5-minute EMA continues to get closer. And yes, guys, good morning. Good morning. A lot of new names in the chat. So great to see you guys. And welcome. Right now, slightly below break even. This is an active setup. And let's see. Seconds away from a new 15-minute candle. Again, this is going to be a significant close. Still in that level here. It's still stuck in this level right here. Looking for a breakout to the upside. Let's see. All right, here's a new 15-minute candle. No top wick. Can certainly bounce back again, but it did push back down. It's still holding up here, but I still see it pushing up. Fair value gap trade. No, so I don't trade those concepts. This is a range trade that I built my system on, right? So range trades, equal touches. We got a slight break below, but of course on the higher time frame you can see it's merely a wick, and it could bounce back. I'm looking at the EMAs. There's EMAs at the top end of the range, and we did enter when the price was down here, about 8-9 pips. I think somewhere down here, 8-9 pips below. So some security there, and now we're looking for the bounce back to reach the top end. There's a 1-hour EMA, and then the 5-minute EMA is approaching as well, right? So I don't trade any ICT concepts. I'm not an ICT trader. This is something I've been trading over the course of the last 4 or 5 years, and iterated my system to such a point where I recognize the ranges for the pairs that I trade, right? And it works really well with Forex pairs. And let's see what happens. All right, just below break even. Mm. 13 minutes to go. Okay, and I appreciate your kind words. Again, lots more to come. I'm just getting started. And I have launched a new service as well, which I'll explain. Probably not today. Maybe tomorrow or Friday. Alrighty, still stuck in the small range. Need this push. 12 minutes to go. You can see the current 1 hour candle, which is the London opening candle, has no top wick. Yep, price is pretty much stuck. Yep. And again, it's still stuck within this range here, right? 10, 11 pips. And again, current candle has no top wick. The London opening candle had no top wick. And I'm leaning on that bullish push before maybe rejecting at the EMAs and then bouncing right back down. So that's the move I'm leaning on. Let's see. Biggest withdrawal in funded account. So if we're looking at American dollars around, I believe, was it 37K? And CAD dollars about 47K. So that's for a 2-week period. You can check out the videos on my YouTube. Right, I do have videos out on the payouts. There's more payout videos coming out as well. Just haven't had time to kind of put the video together. And yeah. All right, new 5-minute candle. Still stuck in this range. Do we get a breakout now? Because again, the hour candle is closing up now. Do we get that push? Here it comes again. All right, love from India. Okay, appreciate it. Appreciate you joining the stream as well today. And hopefully you return for more. All right, we're seeing the price break to the upside here. Can it break this level here? It needs to break this level to get up to fill up this non-wick candle, and then the full move up here. Again, we'd love to ask at this point, is anybody still or anybody in this trade along with myself? We'd love to know. Good, did not quite break this. Okay, Danny, you're in. Nice. Okay, looking forward to enrolling in the mentorship. Been active on some streams as well, not familiar. Okay, looking forward to seeing you in the mentorship. Ricardo, you're in. Adon, you're in. Okay, so we got a few. We got quite a few in this trade here. Okay. So has it broken out of this smaller range into the larger range? Not quite. You can see, still weak. It's got to break this level here. Okay, one Simus as well. Okay, nice. So we got a lot of you guys in the setup here. Let's see. It may also be your first setup on my stream. So let's see how it goes. Again, needs to break this level here. It's a very, very strong level, even though it's in a smaller range, non-tradable range. But can it break to the upside here? 2 minutes left for a new 5-minute candle. Can this 5-minute candle close above so we can get another push to fill up this non-wick candle on the left? And then this whole push here. I think it's a clean call here, but it would need to make a significant move here. Still holding up here. Still holding within that level. Can we get it? It's really a battle here. Still holding up. Alrighty. A minute left before a new 5-minute candle. You can still see it's rejecting that range level here. However, I should mention that in the last 5 minutes, right, especially with GJ during London session, we've seen a lot of movement occur. So this may be the case again, where in the last 5 minutes we see the full jump, right? What we've been waiting for almost an hour, it may happen in the last 5 minutes. So here comes a new 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. Do we get that push? No bottom wick on the current candle. Here, it did create a wick now. Does it push or does it fall right back down? Fall right back down, or does it break? And if it breaks, last 5 minutes on the hourly candle here, and you can see on the left, this will be the next level here for GJ to reach if it breaks above. It's making that push. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Nice. There we go. There we go. Keep it going. So again, next level would be right here. Look at that. As I mentioned, guys, last 5 minutes with GJ, especially with the London opening candle, we can see a lot of movement occur. And you can see it could fill up this non-wick candle here. Does it get there? Not quite. Not quite yet. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Come on, GJ. All the way. 4 minutes, guys. This is a lot of time for GJ. I'm telling you guys, in 1 minute, it did all this. And so, 4 minutes, whew. That's nothing for GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Come on, DJ. We're not done yet. About 12 pips in. Profit. Almost 13. It's halfway there. It's got to pull here. Oh, so close to fill up the non-wick candle here. Oh, so close. 3 minutes to go. Come on, DJ. Let's go. Let's go. One more push here. I certainly think it's going to give it to us, guys, because, again, it's a strong push. Look at the hourly EMA, the 1 hour EMA and the 5 minute EMA, as I mentioned. Slowly but surely, it's getting right to the top end of this range here that we're trading. And look at that. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Beautifully fill up the non-wick candle. Went up almost 14 pips, more than halfway. And there's 2 minutes left here. So most likely going to make stops at break even. So it's risk free now. And we may get the full push. I told you guys last 5 minutes with GJ. Don't give up on it. And look at it go. Can we get one more push to the 1 hour EMA right there? I think we can. 2 minutes to go. Still a lot of time. Still a lot of time here. Let's go, GJ. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. A small move here now. So GJ made its way almost, what is it? Well, 18 pips out of 26. It is pulling back now. We're going to get a new 1 hour candle. Let's see. Can we get to the 1 hour EMA? I certainly think we can. There you go. Come on, GJ. Seconds away now. Okay, nice, Danny. Great trade management right there. Again, I'm leaning on a hard push here. Think it can get here. All right, there's a 1 hour EMA. There you go. Or 1 hour, new 1 hour candle. Look at that. Right off the bat. Right off the bat, guys. Look at that push. Beautiful. Can it go all the way? Look at the 1 hour EMA is right there. Can it go all the way? There we go. Not quite here, but I love the pressure here right off the bat. Pulled up. Let's see. I'm still leaning for another push up. Otherwise, I will close out. Again, if you guys like what you guys see, if you guys want to take partials, that's up to you guys. And there's the 1 hour candle right there. So the 2 hour, 1 hour right there. And leaning on the 1 hour EMA. Being tapped. And the most this trade gave us, guys, was about 7 pips in drawdown here out of 26. So very safe setup. Can it go all the way? It went about 18 pips. Let's see. Nice, another push. See, can we get that push? Again, it's struggling here, but certainly can see it coming. That push right to the top end of the range. Alrighty. You can see the 1 hour EMA is right at the top end of that range. Right, the 5-minute EMA continues to pull here. Not quite. It's making another attempt. Right here. Let's see. Is this the push? We have a new 5-minute candle coming up. Alrighty, let's see. Does have a bottom wick here. Certainly does. Another push. Again, struggling to come up here. But I still see the left here. Looking at the left, you can see with the EMAs up top that I can certainly get up there. Alright guys, it is pulling back here, so I may close out if I don't feel that's going to hold up at this level right here. Right, so we do understand it was a significant level down here. Does it pull back? Let's see. If it pulls back, a slight consolidation right here, it's going to break to the upside here. Right, so that's what I see. That's why I'm still holding the trade here. But you guys are welcome to take partials, you know, do the necessary trade management as you like, as per your preference. But I'm still holding here. I understood that there was a level right here. And looking for that clean push up. Let's see. All right, new 5-minute candle coming up. Again, small consolidation zone here. Could see the push right back up. All right, and that's what I'm leaning on. And here comes a new 5-minute candle. It does have a bottom wick. It's making that push. Is it strong enough? And again, there's 5 minutes left for a 15-minute close. So we could see DJ push up here and wick right back down. And this will be an interesting close because it's a 15-minute candle here, right? So let's see how this 15-minute candle closes up. Still leaning bullish. And you can see the 5-minute EMA continues to make its way down to the top end of the range. And I think that's a great TP target along with the 1-hour EMA. Nice push. Look at that. So 3 minutes to go. However, we only need about less than 10 pips, less than 9 pips now. Look at that push. Look at it go. Wow. There we go. Look at the hourly candle right there. Beautiful. Still 3 minutes to go. And again, now GJ came as close as what? 6.5 pips away from TP. Still holding. And you can see the 15-minute candle now looks like a strong close here on the bullish end. And again, not far off from the TP target here. Alrighty. Hmm, 2 minutes to go. And it appears that the 50-minute candle may close here unless it makes another bullish push. But I see this right here, right here, this level right here. So again, it's another battle between pulling up, breaking to the downside, or breaking to the upside. Of course, if it breaks to the upside, the next target is TP, right? If it breaks to the downside, I am going to close out. Let's see. A minute left. The new 15-minute candle. It's making a drastic push here. Gonna extend this level a bit here. All right, here's a new 15-minute candle. Does it pull back up? This is also a nearly 10 pip range, as we saw down here. So does it break to the upside? Right, does it pull right back up? Let's see. Okay, then you got out. Nice. Right, so securing the profit. Nice. So again, I do see it stuck here because the EMA's more certainty that it will pull right back up top. And look at the 5-minute EMA, it gets closer and closer. Look at that. It's been all happening right on the stream here within the course of the last hour. I pulled my SL close and it got hit. Yeah, no worries. Again, secure profit, guys. I recommend, especially early on, getting introduced to the system here. Take the early profits. Take the partials along the way. Take the setups. All right, take the profit that you see. As you get more experienced, you can start leveling off and maybe holding a little bit more, right? But initially, take what you see. Again, the trade is still active for me. It went as close as 20 pips out of 26. And I'm still holding here. Stops at break even. Again, I'm not going to hesitate to close if it reaches below this level here, but it could just be a wick here. So I don't want to be stopped or close out. There's just a wick. Pulls right back up top. So let's see what happens here. All right, it is pushing here now, but still holding up here. You can see it has created a wick now. Does it pull right back up top? New 5-minute candle in less than 2 minutes. Let's see. Does it hold up? No, it is pushing here. A minute left. Does it pull back? Seconds away now. All right, guys. Yeah, I had to set up here, but for the guys that take partials, congratulations. It should have been a profitable setup for everyone, but just couldn't give in here. So the 1 hour limit still didn't come close to the price. 20 pips out of 26, and it did pull back here, right? So for some of you guys that did not close out, break even. For some of you guys close out partials over here. We got stopped out anywhere between this level. Some profit, and of course, if you guys close out up here, some partial along the way, you guys took the most profit out of this setup here, right? And that's just a ball game sometimes. But as long as you do active trade management and no one lost in this trade, right? And again, as an opportunist, especially learning the system early on, take as many partials along the way, take the profits along the way, and as you gain more confidence, then you can hold some setups, right? All right, guys, I do have another setup that I will share with either GJ or USDCAD and gold. However, it will not be on the YouTube stream. We will continue in the Zoom stream with the mentorship members. So I will see you guys back tomorrow for anybody on YouTube. Again, appreciate you guys joining in. Welcome to all the new viewers, and we'll be back tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. See you guys tomorrow.